Live from Fargo and serving you on TV, online, and on the go. This is Valley News Live at 10.
Now that I know that she is gone, I want answers. Like, I want to know where she's at. I want to know what he did to her.
Family and friends are begging for answers tonight as Moorhead police suspect missing 19-year-old Destiny Avery has been murdered. Avery has been missing since April 3rd, and her family says she was last with 27-year-old Ethan Broad. Moorhead police booked Broad into the Clay County Jail Friday night, where he's being held on second-degree murder charges. Valley News Team's crime and safety reporter Bailey Hurley talked with Avery's family and boyfriend today. It's a story you'll only see here on Valley News Live.
I thought something bad happened, but I didn't want to believe it.
19-year-old Destiny Avery was last seen at a South Moorhead apartment complex over 2 weeks ago, where her family says she was temporarily staying with friend 27-year-old Ethan Broad.
He will not tell anybody where she's at. That's the hardest part.
Doreen Avery says this wasn't the first time Broad has helped her daughter out, adding as far as she was concerned, Broad was a great guy and friend to Destiny, saying she had zero red flags.
For him to do what he did, I guess I really don't know him, because obviously he's capable of taking somebody's life.
Both Doreen and Destiny's boyfriend, Jordan Yarbrough, say they received calls from a worried Ethan Broad on April 3rd, explaining he and Destiny had a fight the night before, and when he woke up, Destiny was gone.
A bunch of BS, because obviously he had already taken her life. She was already gone.
Ethan had told me 4 different stories. It didn't add up.
As a social butterfly, Doreen and Jordan say they usually heard from Destiny at least once a day.
It did not matter what was going on. Destiny called me every day, even if it was just to say, Mom, I love you.
If you seem down, she'll try to get it out of you, make you smile, keep you happy all the time, keep you motivated.
But say as Broad's stories continued to change and days went by without a word from Destiny, their concerns grew.
That's when I knew that something happened, because it's not like her not to call me. It's not like her not to blow up my phone.
Doreen says Moorhead police haven't been able to share many details with her yet, but says she knows the case is in good hands, adding she prays answers, justice, and the discovery of Destiny's body come soon.
I hope and pray that he tells them where she's at so she can be brought home, and put to rest in the place that she wanted to be.
In Moorhead, Bailey Hurley, Valley News Live.
Destiny is originally from Colorado, where both her parents and family are still located. A GoFundMe has been set up for the Averys to help with travel and funeral costs. If you'd like to donate, you can find the link on our VNL News app. Well, another 57 North Dakotans tested positive for COVID-19. Included in that number, the rest of the results from the targeted testing at LM Wind Power in Grand Forks this weekend. 34 of the 57 positive cases today are from Grand Forks County, which now has 133 cases, second only behind Cass County at 212. Taking a look at today's updated numbers for North Dakota, positive cases of the coronavirus jumped to 585 in the state today. That's an increase of 57. 4 more people have been hospitalized since yesterday, bringing the current total to 15, and 1 more has died. It's a woman in her 70s from Cass County who had underlying medical conditions. North Dakota now has 10 total deaths linked to COVID-19. 189 people have recovered, 6 more since yesterday. In Minnesota, another 143 COVID-19 cases have been confirmed, bringing the state total to 2,356. Clay County has another 7 positive cases, bringing the total to 53, as well as an additional death, the second in the county. New numbers out today show an additional 13 deaths across the state, bringing that total to 134. 228 cases are currently hospitalized, with 116 of those in intensive care. 1,160 Minnesotans have recovered from the virus. Some good news for drivers that frequent Highway 1 near Oslo. The Minnesota Department of Transportation has opened the road after flooding closed it this spring. The road has been inspected for damage and safety and has been ruled safe and open to motorists by the Minnesota DOT. For a list of highways in northwestern Minnesota that remain closed, you can find this story on our VNL News app. And Bobcat employees in North Dakota are heading back to work tomorrow after they suspended operations across the state 2 weeks ago. This affects North Dakota employees in Wahpeton, Gwinner, and Bismarck. In a press release, the company says it's providing employees with gloves, masks, and face shields. They're also taking employees' temperatures before they begin working. Bobcat continues to operate during COVID-19 because it has been identified as essential for critical infrastructure and energy production needs. And employees will have new face shields to wear when they get back to work tomorrow morning. Bobcat has also been in touch with nursing homes and long-term care centers across the state and will start distributing them this week. Many people are turning to delivery services to avoid going shopping for groceries during the coronavirus pandemic. Although convenient, these delivery services can be pricey, and they are currently overwhelmed. As Valley News Team's Alexandra Kay reports, a delivery service that's been making waves nationally and internationally is now in North Dakota.
For those who are considered high risk, physically going to the store to buy necessities is a chance they may not want to take. Options include grocery deliveries, but these services come with a price tag, and you may have to wait days before there's an opening to get your stuff delivered. A new delivery service created by a college student is changing all that. Shopping Angels connects volunteers with those who need their help.
So we really want to ease the fear from uncertainty that surrounds this entire pandemic.
The free delivery service is available to the elderly, parents with infants, and other high-risk individuals. According to Shopping Angels, there's no extra fees, no extra costs. They just want to help those in need.
The main goal of Shopping Angels is to keep everyone healthy, but also be able to, do basic necessities such as be able to get their groceries.
Shopping Angels says another goal of this service is to build a relationship, which they're hoping will outlast the coronavirus pandemic.
Clients are able to form this bond with their volunteer, and if both parties are willing, they can continue to keep in contact even after this pandemic to help each other out.
Shopping Angels are in all 50 states, and in North Dakota, they are asking those who want to volunteer to reach out and start shopping for those who need the help. In Fargo, Alexandra Kay, Valley News Live.
Shopping Angels says they ask their volunteers to go through a process to ensure they haven't had any known exposure to the virus. If you want to volunteer or would like to sign up for the service, we have links on the VNL News app. And the Minnesota Twins are giving back as well, helping to make masks with a piece of Twins baseball history. The leftover 2019 Homer hankies from the Twins' short stay in the playoffs are being repurposed. In a partnership with Faribault Woolen Mill Company, Love Your Melon, and Cub Foods, the Rally Towel is now a face mask. The Homer hanky is a 100% cotton terry cloth towel, so it meets the CDC guidelines for basic face coverings. The masks will be delivered to healthcare systems, grocery store workers, and nonprofits for free, and each Homer hanky can be made into 5 masks.